There it goes.
3 to get ready. 4 to go.
Here you go, help me. Can I go now? Oh, nice tummy.
I don't care. If your mom and daddy don't care.
You said I look like I was related to Galena. Oh, sorry.
What?
He's a video.
Oh, Christ, I got that.
You want it?
No.
Put it on the snow cone.
Flavor.
Look at Ben.
I can't believe he doesn't cry about his hand.
Oh, push.
What's wrong with his hand?
Lay on your belly, Caroline.
Really?
Yeah.
Go, Caroline.
No, let Caroline go. Well, I'm gonna push her. I can push hard.
How?
Just
lay on your belly.
belly.
Lay on your belly and put your hands on the front. Put your knees. Yeah, put your knees down right there. Yeah, lay on your belly. Move. Watch out. Watch you. Ready? 1 for the money, 2 for the show. So you get ready? Alright, don't fall. I told you not to fall. Get up off the track, you're going to mess it up. Get up, Caroline.